In this first video, I'm going to show you the very basics of how to cast on, which just means how to put stitches on your needles. So this is the same for whether you're working in the round, working flat, it's just the very first step. You begin with a slip knot, which there are many ways to do so, but my favourite method is to just wrap the yarn twice around my fingers as so. Take the needle tip under the first, over the second, and pull it through. Then you just pull these ends to tighten and your slip knot is ready on the needle. So we'll begin with the thumb method to cast on, which is a very simple method that doesn't even revolve using two needles. It's the simplest way and it's just really effective and really useful. So if you have your needle with a stitch on it in your left hand here, take the yarn, your working yarn, make sure you don't use this loop, just push that away to one side. Take your working yarn in your right hand here and just tuck your thumb under it. So you now have a loop around your thumb and place that on the needle. So now we have two stitches on the needle. Loop on your thumb, place it on the needle and keep going until you have however many stitches you need. I'll just cast on a few more so you can see. There you go, and that produces a nice neat edge of thumb loops on your needle.